Hello! For today's miniserye, tara kwentuhan tayo! Alam niyo ba yesterday was 1st of July? It's Independence Day here in the US. It's actually the birthday of United States of America. At yung mag-ama ko, hindi nagpahuli while I was so busy cleaning the house, umalis silang dalawa. At ito nga pagbalik may dala na silang fireworks. So I asked my son how much they spent on the fireworks and he told me that daddy spent $100 for the fireworks, mom. Kaya yan guys, excited na yung anak ko. Sabi niya, we gonna light up the fireworks. We can't be just a viewer of our neighbors while they're lighting their fireworks. We need to have our own fireworks, mommy. Kaya yun, exactly mga 9. So he was telling me, mommy, let's go out. Daddy ready, everything already. The fireworks, it's already ready outside. So ito guys, yung husband ko, we lighted the fireworks in our backyard. Ito siya. Tapos yung ibang neighbors namin din, nagsusulputan na talaga sa kalangitan yung mga fireworks. Talagang, it's really a celebration. Ito guys, it's a very colorful one. At napakauso kaya siniguro kung nagsuot kami ng mask, lalo na yung anak ko. Lalo na ako kasi may allergy rhinitis ako. So yan, enjoy talaga yung anak ko. Tapos yung phone ko, ay grabe talaga. Yung phone ko ayaw nang mag-record kasi puno na. Kaya yung ginawa ko, nag-delete ako ng ibang video para ma-capture ko ang moment na to. Kaya yan, na-capture ko nga siya. Yan, grabe yung saya ng anak ko, hindi mo talaga mababayaran. He was having fun watching the fireworks, no? Yan, napakaingay last night, guys. Yan, tapos yung mga malalaking fireworks namin, guys, we decided to light up the fireworks sa front yard namin dun sa kalsada kasi baka mag-cause ng sunog, baka may magreklamo na neighbor. Kaya minabuti naming lumipat sa front yard. Dinala namin yung mga malalaking fireworks sa front yard, tapos dun sa kalsada yung husband ko. Hindi ko na siya talaga na-capture kasi yung phone ko talaga guys, punong-puno na. So I was deleting some of the videos para ma-capture ko yung some of the moments, yung mga malalaking fireworks na he lighted up sa kalsada. Tapos yung mga kapitbahay namin guys, nagsilabasan din sila. They lighted up their own fireworks. Then, talagang they really spent money in buying fireworks guys. So, ganito sila dito guys. Yung mga fireworks nila dito guys, parang hindi nakakatakot compare sa mga fireworks sa Philippines na baka maputol yung daliri mo. Dito, parang hindi siya nakakatakot. Parang kahit yung bata pwede mag-light up ng fireworks dito. Ano kaya, no? Yun, naisip ko lang guys kasi ang dami kong nakikita mga kapitbahay namin, mga bata, yung nagla-light up ng fireworks nila. Tapos, parang hindi naman siya talaga nakakatakot. Parang safe naman siya. So, I was just wondering bakit sa Philippines, bakit nakakatakot? Ang daming mga instances na napuputulan ng daliri, nabubulag, napuputol yung kamay. Dito guys, yung mga kapitbahay namin, mga bata, they light up the fireworks. Hindi naman, para yung mga parents nila, parang hindi natatakot na yung mga anak nila yung nagla-light up. So, ito, ganito. So, ito, napakaingay nito. So, sabi ng husband ko, when it's time for the big one, let's transfer in the front yard. So, we're still at the backyard, this one. I captured it at the backyard. Oo. Tapos, maya-maya guys, lipat na kami sa harapan kasi malalaki na yung yung naiwan. Inubos talaga namin yung isang pack. Yung isang pack, inubos namin. Tapos, yung mga kapitbahay namin din, paglabas namin, nakapwesto na din sila. So, every house, no, nagpapaputok talaga. So, it was really a fun experience, no? My son he had fun. Sabi niya, I had fun, mommy. I enjoy watching the fireworks and look at the neighbors. They also had their own fireworks, mom. Ito sa kalsada na to, guys. Tapos napakahangin. Yan, maganda siguro yan, guys, pag hindi mahangin. Kaso, look, The wind is blowing it. So, yan. Buti na-capture ko pa ang moment na to. Paubos na talaga yung yung storage ko sa cellphone ko. Yung dami ko kasing video. Kailangan ko nang mag-delete. So, ito, yung mga malalaki sa kalsada na to, guys. Sobrang mahangin, guys. Yan. 'Di ba? So, yeah, may paputok naman dito sa Amerika, guys. Ganyan. So, talagang they spent money for the celebration. Everyone are having fun. No? Yung neighbor namin talaga may party talaga sila. No? They had a party. They had, dinner. Yan. So, sana nagustuhan nyo guys yung munting storytelling natin ngayon. I guess this is all for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next miniserye. Bye!